if you are an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen and you are looking to obtain a green card, but you worked unauthorized under the table without a visa authorizing work in the United States, or maybe you overstayed your visa after legal entry to the United States, there are still pathways for you to be able to obtain a green card through that relationship through exemptions in the U.S. Immigration and Nationality Act. So, what is an immediate relative for this purpose? Well, a spouse of a U.S. citizen, unmarried children under the age of 21 of a U.S. citizen, or the parents of a U.S. citizen. And what are these exemptions? So, unauthorized employment. So, if you have current or past employment in the United States that was unauthorized, that will be forgiven under the Immigration and Nationality Act when seeking a green card through this immediate relative petition. Also, if you fail to maintain your immigration status, so we see this a lot for individuals that may have entered, let's say, under the visa waiver program, or maybe they entered the United States as a visa exempt Canadian, or maybe they just entered as a visitor and overstayed, or a student and overstayed their visa. Visa overstays will be forgiven according to the Immigration and Nationality Act as long as the petition is through an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen. Also, keep in mind that this exemption does not apply to criminal violations or fraud or other conditions that may make you inadmissible to the United States. However, if you have simply worked without authorization in the United States or overstayed a visa after legal entry to the United States, then there may be a pathway for you to still obtain a green card through your relationship to an immediate relative U.S. citizen without immigration consequences.